Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. Today I am sharing my go-to chocolate cake recipe. It's soft, moist and delicious. The texture, it's perfect. In a bowl add 1 cup plus 3 tablespoons of flour, half cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, half tablespoon plus little more baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Add 2 eggs, half cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup of milk. Add 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder to 1/4 cup of hot water. Mix well and add it to this bowl. Mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Mix. Look at how smooth the batter is. This should be the consistency of the batter. Grease a baking pan with oil. Place parchment paper in it. Pour the batter into it. Tap the baking pan a few times. Bake in a preheated oven. I baked it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Keep checking after 25 minutes if the cake is ready, as temperature and timings of various ovens differ. Then cover the cake with a cloth. Once the cake is cooled, unmold the cake into a plate. In a bowl add 3/4 cup of chopped compound chocolate. Warm half cup of fresh cream slightly and pour it into this bowl. Mix well. Apply the ganache on top of the cake. This cake is quick to make, delicious, has a perfect texture and is moist. And honestly, it's a chocolate lover's dream. If you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. I share many Goan, Indian, international and unique recipes. Do visit my channel as I have uploaded many awesome recipes. I'm decorating the cake with cake sprinkles. I have baked many cakes over the years, but this is one of the cakes which always gets finished first. Whether it's for a birthday, a tea time treat or a last minute craving, it never disappoints. Just look at the texture, it's perfect, and the taste, delicious. See you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.